Are you tired of the uncertainty that comes with relying on grocery stores and food delivery services? Are you ready to take the next step to get control of your food supply and live a sustainable, self-sufficient lifestyle? There's no better time than now to start homesteading. Join me as we go over the reasons why this time has never been better to start homesteading. And be sure to stick around till the end, and I will show you how you can take the first step to start homesteading now. Welcome, and thank you for joining me to Homesteading, Why Now is the Time to Get Started. I'm Tiff, the informal farmer. And one of the main reasons why you might be interested in starting a homestead is if you have concerns over food quality, where it comes from, and the rising cost of food. So a lot of times food is not picked at its peak freshness, and it sits in transit for a few weeks before it even makes it to your grocery store shelves. Then there's the uncertainty of not knowing what went on that food. Like some foods are sprayed with pesticides or herbicides or coated in some protection so that it doesn't get damaged in transit. How long was it sitting on the truck? How long was it in storage? Is it even fresh? I've been there. And that's part of the reason why I started my homestead, is so that I could have, these are strawberries, so that I could have fresh strawberries when the season is right. One of the other benefits of homesteading is that it allows you to take control of the source of your food. So you know exactly what's going into it. You know where it's coming from. And you are getting it at the peak of freshness. By taking control of your food and your food sources, it's going to help you on the path of living a more self-sufficient and sustainable lifestyle. It's not just about growing your own food. It's about connecting with nature, living a simpler life, and learning valuable life skills that will benefit you and your family for generations to come. Homesteading may also involve raising pigs, chickens, sheep, goats, or even bees, which would provide you with eggs, milk, then you can make cheese, butter, you have honey, and meat. Not only does this help you be more self-sufficient by raising your own food and relying less on grocery stores, but you know where your food comes from. And sometimes it might sound harsh, but these animals have a great life. They just have one bad day. So why is now the perfect time to start homesteading? Well, we all saw with the pandemic, when a supply chain disruption happens, within a matter of days, we have very limited access to food. This has caused a lot of people to want to become more self-sufficient and not rely on food distribution from grocery stores or other sources. Additionally, growing your own food helps you save money. You're spending less money on organic produce, and you're also having less food waste. Because when you grow the food yourself, there's less waste. You're using as much as you can. Whereas food that goes to the grocery stores, only the pretty ones make it to the shelves. Perhaps the greatest benefit of homesteading is the pride and satisfaction that comes with being able to provide for yourself and your family. Also, homesteading can teach you valuable life skills, foster a sense of independence, and give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Join the growing homesteading movement today. Start your path to sustainability and self-sufficiency. Now for that secret I promised you. You can start homesteading today in as simple as growing your first crop, which you can do anywhere with a pot, soil, and seeds. Grow that first crop, start practicing, build your skills and confidence, and you can expand from there. If you're really ready to start taking it seriously, you can watch my linked video, which will go through those first couple steps in planning and researching how to start your homestead. Thank you for joining me on Homesteading, Why Now is the Time to Start.